Dear children, today in the class I taught you lesson 14 in history. Now look at the page number 92. After important times, the return of Mahatma Gandhi to India from South Africa heralded a new era in India's freedom movement. He fought against a mighty empire without any violence. Indian freedom struggle from the second decade of the 20th century is dominated by Mahatma Gandhi, properly known as the father of the nation. He played a key role in the Indian politics during the national movement and gave it an entirely new connotation. Under his enlightened guidance, a new and unparalleled phase in the history of the country's freedom struggle was launched. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Kathiawar Peninsula, modern Gujarat, in India. He was married to Kasturba at the age of 13 years. At the age of 19, he went to study in England. After unsuccessful attempts at practice law in Gujarat and Bombay, now Mumbai, he proceeded to Durban in South Africa to work for a firm there. The South Africa experiences. Gandhiji's experience in South Africa contributed in shaping his ideas and methods of satyagraha till 1906. He followed the usual technique of a petitioner in his fight against racial discrimination of Indians at Natal in South Africa. But his methods underwent a radical transformation with two campaigns of passive resistance launched in 1907 to 8 and 1913 to 14. This change constituted the essential components of his South African struggle and led to the evolution of his concept of satyagraha. After intensive protest and demonstration by Indians under Gandhiji leadership, most of the issue were resolved. Out of his South Africa experience, Gandhiji developed a deep faith in the technique of non-violent satyagraha. The experience also made him realize the supreme importance of communal harmony and the need to put up a united fronts against the British. His moral and intellectual stature is to enhance and his ability to communicate with the message came to the fore. Gandhiji's appearance on the Indian political scene 1915 to 1918. Gandhiji returned from South Africa in January 1915. In the beginning, he was not interested in the political issue. Even when Annie Besant approached him to join her in founding the Home Rule League, he refused. In 1917-18, he could not avoid entering the active politics. He became involved with the three local issues: the indigo farmers at Champaran, the textile workers of Ahmedabad, and the non-payment of tax by the Kheda peasants. These events heralded his emergence as a leader of national stature. Champaran, a district in Bihar, was famous for indigo plantation, where the European planters had subjected the local peasant to excessive oppression. The peasant invited Gandhiji to come to Champaran and see the pathetic condition firsthand. Thought the local authorities asked him to leave the district. He not only defied the order but also expressed his willingness to court arrest and face trial. Ultimately, the government appointed an inquiry committee with the Gandhiji as a member and relaxed the pressure on the peasants. It was the first victory of Gandhiji in his experiment with civil disobedience. A similar intervention took place in the case of problem faced by peasants of Kheda in 1918 in Gujarat. Gandhiji organized the peasants to offer satyagraha and opposed official insistence on full collection of oppressive land revenue despite condition of famine. He inspired the peasant to the fearless and face all consequences. The government cancelled a settlement with the peasant. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel emerged as an important leader of the Indian freedom struggle during this period. His intercession on behalf of the mill workers of Ahmedabad in 1918 also helped to resolve the dispute between the workers and the owners. Under his guidance, the workers staged a strike against the mill owners who refused to pay higher wages. On this occasion, Gandhiji took recourse to the first of his many historic fasts. Ultimately, the mill owners relented and agreed to a 35% wages increase. Now, next day, the revolt satyagraha.